Hi and welcome back into the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. But if you are using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get on to the video. The first thing that we'll need to do is to launch our TikTok app in our device that we are using. And then after that, just click onto your profile in here. And then I am just going to check into my following. And as you can see, I only have two accounts that I follow in here. And if I want to unfollow all of these accounts, I can just unfollow them individually since I only have two. But if you have thousands of followings in your account, and unfollowing all of those individually will actually take time. So what you can do to unfollow that account all at once is this. So we need to go back into our profile and then click on the three horizontal lines that we see on the upper right corner of our screen, just like that, and then click on to settings and privacy. And then after this, just scroll down until you see the support and about section, and under the support and about, just tap on to report a problem, just like that. And under topics, we are going to click on to account and profile, and then we're going to click on the last section here, which is the profile page. Just scroll down again, and in here we are going to tap on to other. And then after that, in here, since there's not an option where you can unfollow everyone all at once here on TikTok, what you can do is to tap onto this need more help on the bottom part of your screen. And this is where you can customize your problem and report it to TikTok. So in here, I'm just going to type in the concern that we have right now. Just like that. So what you can just submit this concern on TikTok, and this will hopefully fix the problem that you have and unfollow all the accounts that you have on TikTok. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.